What's up, traders? This video is going to be another recap of something I've seen and playing a lot on. I'm going to upload this one to both channels because it has to do with the US dollar. Again, these videos are not for you to mimic or copy in any way. These are not advice I'm giving. There's nothing for you to take your own trades on. This is just to go over what I see and what I'm doing. US dollar broke a big resistance. And it held. So I'm able to use that information and the news coming out projected to be good for the US dollar and strength coming to play both gold in the stocks for my there's a Bear ETF JDST that I'm trading. If you're trading DUST, it also is the same. When gold goes down, those go up. And in the Forex world, I am trading across the board, actually. And this has been a very profitable week just because of this information. A lot of things can affect gold, and part of it is panic. People panic and buy things when they'll sell stocks and they panic and buy gold. A lot of people think when the SPY is down that gold goes up, and a lot of times that is the case. But it's because SPY is down because they're panic selling and some news came out, so they freak out and they buy gold. It's not necessarily the case, and I'm noticing a lot of people that are in the chats I'm in, they think gold was at a low. They thought it was a good deal. They didn't see this. And one of my strengths is trading Forex and stocks and ETFs, and I see this. And when you understand, so gold's value is based off the leading currency, the world reserve. That's the US dollar. That's the dominant currency. So gold's value is the US dollar. They're inverse of each other. So when the dollar's up, gold is down, and vice versa. And as you see here, this is actually the US dollar. We were in a channel. It struggled to break this. When it did, it wouldn't hold. Finally, we break through this. We pull back, retest it, and shoot up. Like I said, it has been a very profitable week because of this. I am in JDST. I've made multiple plays on that, just on this dip alone. I knew this was coming off of this. We're on the 1 hour. This is the first initial break right here. This is where we were in good news. I entered a lot of trades just on this right here, on this pullback and retest. I'll zoom in for you guys. When we retested right there, 4x is around the clock, and that's why I love it. If it is, I'll break it down for you guys. I don't know if I've gone over this in any other videos. Where is... The Australian dollar is also showing a lot of weakness, so this was a really strong one for me. Australian US dollar. So there's a couple plays on this one. A double top here, and then the US strength just coming in and bringing this down. So real quick, Forex world, Australian US dollar. This first pair in the pair, the first one listed is the dominant pair. So we're basing the US dollar, or basing the Australian dollar. Sorry, Australian dollar. How do I word that? I'm trying to think how this is so basic. This is why I should script my videos. This would probably be a little bit easier for you. Anyway, sorry. Dominant pair, we're skipping that. I'll figure that out later and do its own video. Dominant pair. So when the US dollar gains strength, this is going down. When Australian dollar is gaining strength, it goes up. So, and unlike US CAD, the US dollar for Canadian dollar, USD is labeled first. So when the US dollar gains strength, it goes up and the Canadian dollar goes down. So understanding that the US dollar broke that resistance, retested, I was able to get in a lot. And there's more good news coming. I'm sure Trump's just getting ready to tweet away. There's big news coming Thursday and Friday, all projected to be good news for the U.S. dollar. So those are all my current trades right now, are just going off this. Every trade I'm in, my stop loss is in the green. So it feels good. These moves don't happen that often. As you can see, we've been in this channel for a while. So I knew when we finally would break that, it was going to be huge. And we did, and we held. As where it's going, let's see. Looks like we got a little something there. I'm not too worried about that, but we might see something there. This is the main level I'm worried about up here. So until we hit that, I'm riding every one of these out. And each time it creates a new zone, I just move my stop loss up, and I'm adding on to every one of these. So this video will be quick. I hope that helps everyone out in both the stock world and the Forex world. When you're trading the pair, just go to the dollar index if it's the US dollar, find it, and use that information to your advantage. I was able to use this to know gold was going to go down and made plenty of trades off of this, and plenty of money off of each one, already locked in profit, and I'm still in some. So again, email me if you have any questions. Subscribe if you're not already. Like the video, please. And again, let's lock in profits, not losses.